seasons, greetings and welcome! This video will be a very special Christmas edition to Patchwork Productionz, where we will be making some of these. It'll just be a quick video, nothing too instructional, but I'll just be going through making a few of these characters. I'll see which ones I do. I haven't decided yet, but this is a fun little thing that you can do. I picked Peanuts because I know that when I was a little younger than I am now, we used to watch the Peanuts around this time of year and just has some nice memories. And so I decided, hey, this is something a lot of people know, and it's a great product that's out there. This is basically amigurumi, you could call it. It's making little characters with crochet. So this is going to be a fun little thing. There's a link for this in the description box down below for where you can get this very kit right here. So enjoy.